Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Combine 1/4 cups crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 2 tablespoons sugar, mixing until the crumbs hold together when pinched. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie pan, building the edge to approximately a 3.5-inch high rim and smooth the bottom. Bake at 350 degrees F for about 8 minutes just to set and deepen flavor, then remove and cool on a rack. Let the crust cool completely before adding filling, so the hot filling will not melt or separate the crust. Heat 1 cup heavy cream until it reaches a gentle simmer, then pour it immediately over 8 ounces chopped bittersweet chocolate and let it sit undisturbed for 2 minutes so the chocolate melts evenly. After 2 minutes, stir the mixture into a smooth ganache, then whisk in 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla for sheen and flavor. Remove the bowl from direct heat and whisk in 2 large egg yolks one at a time for extra richness, chilling the mixture slightly if needed before filling the crust. Pour the warm ganache into the cooled crust, spreading it evenly and smoothing the top with an offset spatula. Gently tap the 9-inch pan on the counter to release trapped air bubbles. Cover loosely and refrigerate at least 2 hours until the filling is firm and sliceable, or place in the freezer for 20 minutes for a faster set if you need it sooner. Serve slices topped with about 1 cup whipped cream or a light dusting of cocoa powder, and slice cleanly by warming a knife under hot water between cuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.